Here's one thing I don't like about the Holzfforma is these caps are kind of crappy. That one feels good. Plus they don't sit flush. It does on the ends, but definitely a difference between this side and this side. So it's hard to tell whether you got it on there correctly or not. Okay, let's go cut some firewood. thought this was kind of unique, so when I found this, I thought it'd make a great chopping block. Got a hole in it. It's hollow. I thought that's pretty cool. So those of you who watched my last video where I described my Generac generator woes, had to go buy a backup for the backup. So went and picked up this Predator at Harbor Freight. It was on sale for 800 bucks. So I can't go wrong there. It's a dual fuel. So I'll get out of the box and check it out. So I just opened the top and look what's in there. That's the propane hose and regulator. A remote start. Some jets for high altitude. So you can rejet your carburetor. A funnel. Service manual, owner's manual, some warnings, a toolkit with a screwdriver, Phillips, spark plug wrench, and I don't know what that is. That looks like a electrocution waiting to happen. Let's keep going. Alright, there it is. Got out of the box. I'm not going to do a unboxing video on this. There's plenty of videos out there show lots of information about these Predators and this particular one, but it's dual fuel, so it has propane there or gas. Then to get it ready, I gotta take the side cover off and hook up the battery between here and here. So that's nice that the battery's in it. Put some oil in it right there, and I'll probably hook up to propane. I got about 3 of those 100-pounders, 100-pound propane bottles. They claim that'll last at least a couple days. Well, the Generac repairman's been here. I'll show you what he found. He didn't think that was leaking real bad, but I had enough oil in it from when I filled it that night. It was on the dipstick, it was good. He tried to start it and it wouldn't start. So I tested for fuel and that was good. Tested spark, that was good. On this back cylinder, yeah, pulled the spark plug out and it was damaged. So something come apart inside. Pulled the valve cover off. Nothing was wrong on the outer part of the valve train. So something happened. Catastrophic failure. So he buttoned her up and said he's gonna have to replace the engine, but he didn't know what the warranty was going to be. So now I'm just waiting for them to call me back and let me know what they're going to do. So stay tuned, we'll see what happens.